the seat belt. Ah, mommy, that car is open. What? I need to close it off, Mama. Yeah. So that's not allowed in the video. And now, just now, he was 7. But mommy, is this car faster than the other car? I don't want to have the other car because this is my favorite car that I ever seen, and I like it. That's why I don't want to have that other stupid black car. I don't like that one.
But that car is electric.
Is this car electric?
But this one is not electric.
But that one just looked ugly white, ugly black, I mean.
We have to return this one.
No, please. I like this one, mommy. Please. I don't like that electric car.
Why not?
I like this one, the other one. That's why.
Well, this one, we have to return it tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day actually. So we will return it tomorrow evening or the day after tomorrow.
See how fast this car is. That's why I don't want the other car.
But the electric car is also very fast. Very, very fast.
But this car is faster than the other one, right?
No, I don't think so.
You need to try, man. You can just give that other car to somebody else. Somebody else will like it very much. And that car is gonna give you $15,000.
That's very cheap.
Very cheap.
What is? You can buy an electric car for $15,000. That's very cheap.
What is cheap?
Hey guys, Blessing here. So just to quickly clarify what this back and forth, this argument between mother and son is all about. So this car is a replacement car. Earlier today, we took our car out to the garage for maintenance, and that is going to take approximately 2 to 4 days before our car is ready. So the garage gave us this car to use while our car is with them. Now my son is saying that we should not return this car, that we should keep this car and just give our own car to another person for $15,000.